Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what old G RAThbun's up to today. Well, it's cold outside. Too cold to work out there. I want to do a review for you guys. I have I wondered about this thing. It was only like $40. It's a Smart Thermostat, as you can see, made by Honeywell. Now, that is a bonus because the one I had in there was a Honeywell. So since mine was a Honeywell, it was just, you just unplug the Honeywell. This is the old one right here. That one right there. There's your Honeywell right there. That's the one I had in. Came with the house. It's good. There's nothing wrong with it. But we wanted something that we could turn off and on when we're away from the house. Like we set it down now when we go some shopping or whatever. We turn it down. But it's just so easy. I installed it, and then I'm going to show you what it's like because I didn't know for that much money if it'd work or not. But it's easy. You download their app if you don't already have the Alexa app. I already do. Then you just follow the instructions, and I mean, it just plugs right in. I don't know if I even have the instructions here. This is what comes with the kit. Hello, tells you all about it. But if you already got tells you how to work it. If you've already got the Alexa app, it will pick it up with that little thing right down there. It will download it, it'll put it on, I mean, it'll hook you all up, and then, I mean, it was simple to put on. The only thing I screwed up is I put the wrong faceplate on it. I left this one on it, and this faceplate right here didn't match. So I put it together, then the holes are showing, so we had to pull that off and put on the faceplate that came with it. Because we could have just painted it and left it like that. You see that? Just painted the wall, but it had holes out there, so we just used the faceplate. But let me show you this. You see, this little thing here means it's a Honeywell, was the same one that the new one came with. So what I did is I just unplugged this one and stuck the other one on there. And what do you know? It worked. But like I said, the faceplate was different, so I had to pull it all apart, and it was easy to wire. They got good instructions. These are all marked. What you want to do is take a photo of yours like this when your wires are still hooked up. When you know, that way you can put them right back in the same place, and it makes it really simple that way, because your wires will come through the wall here and then go into there, 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 and there, and there, and there. And then you got it. This one you have to have a C wire with this one. Okay? Now this had a battery backup even, as you can see. I took the batteries out. I don't leave batteries and stuff naturally because they decay and then ruin. Because this is still good. Something ever went wrong, I'll use that again. But this is how easy it is. You get your wires hooked up on there, then you just set that right on there like that. Done. Done. That's how easy this one is too. Just snapped it on there. But like I said, I had to change out the faceplate. And it works great. You have to have the C wire on this one. Some of them don't. So you make sure before you order one, pull this off, look in there and see if you have the C wire on there. And you can see it says C wire right there. See if you have one. Then you'll know which one to order. I think the C wire is kind of a pile. I'm not going to say because I don't know for sure what it does. I got a good idea, but if you got a C wire, order one that says it needs a C wire. Otherwise, they sell them without the C wire connection. So anyway, that was smart. That was easy. What we like about it is you can just program it so simply with your phone app. But I'm going to go show you what it looks like on the wall right now. It's nice looking, and I have no problems with it. Vicky gets cold. I just hit a button on my phone and crank it up one. which she usually cooks me out of the house. Now I'll go show you what it looks like installed. Here we are. This is where we put it. We only have one. You can do more than one if you have more than one, what do you call it? I don't know, furnace. You'd have to have one more heating element or cooling element. You can have one per element. And that's it right there. Turn the lights off so you can see it, see the numbers. But it blends in quite well. I like the looks of it. Definitely like the way it works. Then you got the button here. And then you can go up or down. There it's on heating. You hit it again. You can go to cooling. You can go after you can set it manually. Right here is what I'm saying. We got it set so it comes on automatically. We got it set at 72 degrees, which is plenty warm for me and way too cold for Vicky. But hey, if you're looking for a smart thermostat for 40 bucks, I think that's all we paid. And you got to already have the Alexa app. I mean, hook it up to it. Then you got everything in one spot. And we're pleased with it. So I think you will be too. That's it for this video. Not very long, but good enough. Tells you what you need to know.